Properties like Southmoor House behind me here rarely come to the market, and such is the size of this property that there are 9 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 4 kitchens and over an acre of land. This property is located in the really desirable location just half a mile from Westward Ho beach. Constructed in 1824, this stunning Georgian residence was once a large family home right up until 1952, when it was subsequently divided into 4 separate titles. Today, the property consists of a 4-bedroom family home and 5-bedroom Airbnb. So if a large period property is what you're looking for your next move, with the amenities and the coast right on your doorstep, then give Fine & Country a call today on 01237 426 018. Thank you.